welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be filming my day in the life. I was requested to do this, so I'm filming that today for you. I don't really know if it'll be that interesting because I don't have the most interesting life, but I thought I'd film it anyway today because I have a day off from work. My days are pretty much filled with either university or work, but now university is completely finished. I submitted my last report last week, so that is me until graduation in June, which is super exciting, and I have a day off from work today, so I thought I would take you along with me and show you what I'm up to today. I had a little bit of a long lie this morning, which was so nice, and I'm going to be heading to the gym today, and also my main thing is planning videos and Instagram posts, taking Instagrams, things like that. And also I need to find a handbag. I'm tracking down this handbag and it's already been taking up my morning. I've been on the phone to so many different shops and online and just trying so hard to find this bag, and it's a little bit stressful. So that has been my morning, basically just calling different House of Fraser stores to find this handbag because it's so pretty and I really want to buy myself this handbag and I can't find it anywhere. So that is the challenge for today. It's not like a normal day in my life though, is it really? I don't buy handbags every single day, but today that is my goal. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just getting myself ready, popping on some makeup, got bronzer all over my leggings, and what else am I doing? Yeah, I'm just going to be heading up to the retail park right now. I'm going to try and get something to add to my auntie's birthday present, so I'm heading up there, and I also need to get a few bits for lunch. I'm just popping on this lipstick from 17 in the shade It's Complicated, and it's this crazy Barbie pink, but it's actually really pretty when it's mixed in with lip gloss. Let's just set my makeup. There we go. Makeup is done. That took me 5 minutes. So this is my outfit today. I'm just wearing this top from USA Pro, and then my O'Neill leggings as usual, and then my New Balance trainers for the gym, and I'm going to just put on a sweatshirt. I think I'm going to go for my Coconut Lane one, so pretty. And then I'm also going to be wearing my pink Boo Avenue sunglasses. I'm really obsessed with these, so yeah, let's just pop them on. There we go. I'm good to go. What a nice song. I'm really loving Ghost of You by 5 Seconds of Summer. It's such a nice song. I'm here at the retail park now, and I just I just reverse parked, and it was like the most perfect reverse park I've ever done, so proud of that. Let's go though and see what we can get. So I can't even see if you can even see me here, it's so sunny, but basically I went into Boots and I got a little Ted Baker set which has a body wash, a body spray and a body lotion in it, and it's really pretty, and my auntie is going on a cruise for her birthday, so having little mini things like that will be really perfect for her to take with her. I got some more dry shampoo. This is the Batiste Coconut Exotic Tropical one. I always use this one, it's my favourite, it smells like coconut and I love that. And then, sorry, that's my phone. And then I got the Fleur de Force 3/4 length lashes. These are my favourite ones, and I got 2 of them because they were buy one get one half price. And then I got some things for my lunch from Marks and Spencer's. So yeah, not often that we use their con in Scotland, but we need it today. So yeah, I'm just gonna head home now. So I've had my lunch and now I'm just planning some videos and doing a little bit of work. So I'm thinking I really want to get 2 videos up this week and next week, and hopefully for the whole of May, 2 videos a week. I'll try that. But yeah, that's my idea. So I just asked on Instagram to see if there's any particular videos that people want to see from me, I have had a few requests, so I've noted them down, and yeah, I'm just doing that right now, looking for some inspiration on YouTube and Pinterest, things like that, just planning that. So I've got like all of my planners out right now. I have my diary, this planner as well, which is my daily planner. I've got my notebook and my laptop. So yeah, just, don't you just love pink stationery? Like, how pretty is everything here? So aesthetic. Time for the gym. So I'm back from the gym now, and I had a really good workout. I did quite a lot of cardio, running and things, and I also did a lot of punching and kicking of the punch bags. They're so great, I love them. Just all your anger is just gone. And I'm now just back home, and I'm going to get a shower and then have some dinner. And then I think after dinner I'm going to just do some like editing and things like that, and I'm going to try a new face mask, which I will show you. Well, it's actually, I've already tried it once, but I'll show you it because it's really pretty. It's pink. I feel like I've had quite a productive day. I've taken quite a few Instagrams, planned videos, asked you guys what you want to see as well, and I'm feeling really happy and confident about it because I just feel like I've got some time at the moment to film videos, and I really want to do this. I want to film amazing content that you guys want to see, and I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys, so I really want to thank you all so much because I just love it when you guys comment, and everything is just, you're all so sweet and lovely, and I really appreciate everyone who watches my videos. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you, and I'm so lucky that I can do this, and I'm fully focused on YouTube. This is what I want. So I have a lot of time at the moment because most of my friends have actually gone on holiday, and I didn't really want to go because I wanted to focus on YouTube. So I'm here, that's what I'm doing. So yeah, I am just going to go and grab a shower because this top, although it's really pretty, I love it, it like cuts off your circulation a little bit. Like, look at my shoulder. It kind of is quite tight, so I'm gonna go and take this off and pop on some comfy clothes after my shower. So yeah. So the mask that I'm going to be using tonight is, excuse the mess in here, I really need to tidy this up. But it's this mask right here, and it is from Aldi. I found it the other day, and basically I'd seen it on a post in Facebook, and the girl was comparing it to a brand, I think it was an Australian brand, of pink clay masks, and apparently it's super expensive, and she said this was a dupe for it. So I thought I would give this a go. I'll try and find the dupe that it's meant to be of, but I gave this a go the other night, and it's pink, so it's pretty, and I feel like with face masks you kind of need to try them a few times to see any differences. So that is what I'm trying again tonight, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's quite cool actually. It cost me £6, and it literally comes with like a little brush, which is so cute, and then the packaging is really fancy, like it's glass, and I'll show you the colour of it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to pop this on while I do my editing. So this is the mask. I'm not really entirely sure why I'm putting this on the internet, so I'm just going to turn this around now. Yeah, I'm just sitting here right now doing some editing and also replying to some comments and things like that. And yeah, that is pretty much my evening, and I'm just ticking things off my to-do list. And then once I'm done with my editing and things, I think I'm just going to watch some new Kardashians, and that's pretty much going to be my evening. So yeah, that is pretty much the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye!